the quaint town of Everspring, nestled between rolling hills and a shimmering lake, love often blossomed in the most unexpected places. It was here that Emma met Liam. If Emma had known what fate had planned for her, she might have walked into that rainy afternoon cafe with a little more caution, or perhaps a little more hope. Emma, a spirited artist with a love for sunsets, had returned to her childhood home after a messy breakup in the city. If there was one thing she had vowed after leaving the chaos of her old life behind, it was to keep her heart guarded. Their first meeting wasn't particularly remarkable. Emma had wandered into the local cafe, seeking warmth from the cold rain outside. Liam sat at the corner table, scribbling notes in a leather-bound journal. If her umbrella hadn't slipped from her hand at that exact moment, perhaps their paths might not have crossed. But it did, and the clatter of her umbrella startled her enough to stumble into his table, knocking over his coffee. "I'm so sorry!" Emma exclaimed, scrambling to pick up the fallen journal. "It's all right," Liam replied, his voice soft but steady. If he had been annoyed, he didn't show it. Their eyes met for a brief moment, and Emma felt a flicker of something she hadn't felt in years: curiosity. If they hadn't kept running into each other after that, maybe they would have dismissed the moment as insignificant. But fate seemed intent on weaving their lives together. At the market, Liam would nod politely while Emma juggled her groceries. On her morning walks by the lake, she often spotted him jogging, his expression focused yet serene. It wasn't until the community art exhibition that their paths truly aligned. Emma had displayed a series of paintings inspired by Everspring's landscapes.